The next stretch we're going to do, it's actually a mobilization technique. You can either do this lying down or standing against the wall. You're going to take the cross ball and you're going to put it on your thoracic spine. So this will be a thoracic spine mobilization technique. And again, you're going to find the tender spots. Make sure the head is down so you're not looking up like this. You don't want to strain your neck. From here, find a tender spot. The left arm or right arm goes up. From here, you want to work the ball into the tightness that you're finding, and you want to move the arm around in different positions. Do this for about 4 breaths. And what you might find, you might go into another spot, so go a little bit lower. Same concept. And then a little bit lower. Same concept. So you want to find about 3 to 5 different spots. With that being said, every spot you find is going to be a little bit sensitive, and that's normal, that's okay. Make sure you're breathing, you're inhaling, exhaling, and moving the arm at the same time. It's going to be uncomfortable. However, you're going to feel better after you perform this exercise. If it gets too uncomfortable, you know what to do. Speak to your PT about it.